Good morning, country people. Them we salute all man we she done now for front the television. Those who will go for that side for Garwa Bulai and those for Banyong. They not miss their program. We salute those who did for that side for Ntui. We greet all man for side for Mundemba and we salute those for Limbe. We greet all man for side for Mungo. We not forget those who did for side for Baminda. And those for Adama was saying at time this. Where we say serve, we get for show now, waiting, it happen for Cameroon. Till we find, we could make again a find more, and till we a war, we could transform them, so that me find because man ain't no tomorrow. They be talk for this dance, say, poor man, it the only shall die. Meanwhile, rich man, it is sleep, and then the snow. Why inside Cameroon, poor people them they only for the neck skin. Forget the one where they go chop. Now because of this, so we know they respect the text for this country. Person where they work, the driver where they wear salary, and where he get patron he life for his hand. Patron is not the respect driver. Patron is not the respect cooker for house. I dey ask question whether it is so or so God be don't talk. No. Me we leave that one now, we enter way to way they make news for inside country. Palava kerosene for inside Yaoundé way na capital. If you not talk, country talk, sometime they not go serve you. Another one, it don't cause confusion yesterday for some petrol station for inside Yaoundé. When you talk Jamna, Mewari, then serve you. But if you talk and say, put me petrol for 1,000 or 2,000, they go talk say, me you go find your own petrol station where they talk your country talk for thee. That means say, kerosene, it don't be now the one way before the one put inside their gallon. That means say, you must talk country talk. We could look inside that one. Another one where we go hip eye for the fine, now the one from Marche A to D. After where the council police them for Yaoundé one council, they be cash a billion people that Dakako go with them for council. They tell we say they so they don't go pay money, then take them back, and then say they don't fear for put Dakako again for corner road. They so they put them. When we go finish country people on the other side they go talk, and then we hear where they go talk. We go international side where they call them for Douala, where operation if we come up for that side, Gendarmerie Nationale a cash plenty tip kako for site for Pika 21. Now after Pika 14, you go again inside. Now they way operation will happen, and these people them now people the way they don't catch and put them for ground say this so the hand is not clean. For inside that chapter, they will last two cash Okada them where they not get paper, and then they see television and computers them for inside some house. Some camion a day will not get no one paper, but it is circulate for inside country. When we finish now, we go enter chapter for tip. For side for Bonaberi, that motorway when I see am na motorway Iriwaka, they knock people and stick for side for Bonaberi. If na say you know the person will get the motor, or you know the driver, me you try wait for report time for Tureman before time in no kaji because they don't take some man 300,000 so they say gas bottle. But now matter it don't change because that man it don't talk say if sick a pass for hospital, that means in cannot stick it go treat them. Accident where don't happen for site for Nkonsamba 1, now for site for Marche Bay where camion don't bring plenty for can sell them. And then time for to go back, now it make accident. One person, a broke foot way now for hospital, regional hospital for site from Konsamba. We go to now Palava fire where it happen for side where they call them for Abdel Master, for side where they call them for Baminda, where plenty shop them, they don't catch fire. For that side, Sape Pompier, it can be on for it on time. Where outing, it don't go for inside fire. Been there people them, they the tie face. So for side for Baminda, now for side for my sixth from Quen. Where they don't wake up, they meet up some die body where they sleep for corner road, then say God, he don't miss his head, he miss neck, he last touch na his chest, where he fall, he die. Any man he pass, no man no get time for go check him whether na a family member. Meeting it be happen for side for Bermuda. Meeting be happen for Bermuda when a minister for supreme state control. Where this woman, if go for that side for go hold Ndungamen with all the mayors and for side for Northwest because it did they say so mayor and they where they don't take money from governor, they play in a live day, they know they work for develop their own side. Minister go talk after mayor and two they go talk whether it is so wait it happen, it go happen for their brother or it go happen for themselves. So now what way be happen yesterday, mayor and two go talk. Send story for sharp morning time, it tell we say with it. Send story for sharp morning time, it tell we say shit. It not get choco. But when you match them, you must jump for up. Shit, it not get choco. But when you match them, you must jump for up. Person we say na for we na ngondere. They call say ma hasana is say na for we for that side for Banyong. And pa we is support am. They call am na pa Tashe Njobe is support am for that side for Kotaba. Now we then we come back when I will see am all. We salute when again second time say me any man find ye chair she done because now we could start the scatter the Torah in the proper. Chapter 1. Me we talk now what will happen for inside your own way na capital for country. Palava kerosene. I say palava kerosene na that. When ATM talk am, he show am. And when he want show am, it take time for show am, make country people and see am. When you look at you see say so those when they talk say kai will lie. Me worry. Now themselves they use petrol plenty or kerosene plenty for inside country. So they say so they become late, but not them where they serve them kerosene for first line. And this thing don't cause trouble. Say so why they use na country talk for semi and serve them. People when they don't come for 5 a.m. for morning time, they not be fit for take up. But now when you come now, they don't finish serve you a kerosene me go. Because they don't talk country talk. You way no know the country talk, no way. Some people and they where they don't slim now for day. For send me then serve them for first line. All man for that side the vex. Send up now so they get for work for inside country. Petrol station no mean on. You just be in a worker. And wait tomorrow they feel come on you. They put different person. When you want work some work the way where some man could like them. No work that the one way people then go to tie face. Palava kerosene and the time we say so Cameroon it be one of the countries then for inside Africa where they get kerosene. But how kerosene it torment the population for inside country again? How kerosene it torment we again? We leave that one now we internal for site for marché etudi. When the market from governor, council police that will come for Friday, they carry kako where they don't put them for corner road. Because law, it talks so when you run shop, yes, kako get for be inside, not for upside. Now so they carry it in them. Yesterday we want go over there, we still see mommy them, they don't put the kako on there for road. They say they fight with council police that every day. Council police they take them today, go with them for council. They follow, go take them. Council police can't take them. They go pay money, take them, bring them back, so to put them for road. Why did they move these people then for inside market for bring them for corner road? Other one they say no, now because other one they say no, now because they shop them then there. Say they not get them capital for rent shop. Now whatever they say for ground. Other people they say they so for inside market. Man is there for inside market. Customer them they can't remain for road. Now anyway, camera be come up for Torre house for LTM for quarter where they call say Santa Barbara. He go for day. For go take I see them because When I never see him, mop he not get for talk, where ear he go hear. So now time this way, camera don't come in for Marché Etodi, it go back for Santa Barbara, for go look where it is so this matter. We will do how for say me a fine. We go ask them now for this country people them they go talk for French. For Cameroon we get for year French and English. Countryman, what is the power where council police they carry when a kako minute? And why when I so strong head for the sell kako for the very road again? When I hear where countryman go talk. Fire!
Après ce coup de force de la mairie de Yaoundé premier.
On est la façon dont on fonctionne au Cameroun, ça ne passe pas. Nous sommes en train de se débrouiller, avoir à bien chaque jour porter. On veut que nous tous, nous les jeunes Camerounais, on parte où avec ça. On part où avec ce genre de choses. Quand on veut qu'on... Nous on est en train de se débrouiller au Cameroun. Si on vole demain, vous allez nous arrêter pour nous enfermer. Maintenant, on se débrouille. Vous faites donc comment?
Le problème qui se présente devant nous, ce sont les mêmes gens qui prennent le ticket chez nous. Ce sont les mêmes qui reviennent ensuite prendre les marchandises. Une fois qu'ils ont pris la marchandise, amènent ça à la mairie. Et quand tu arrives, tu payes, ils te demandent une somme d'argent. Une fois payé, on te remet ta marchandise pour que tu reviennes encore vendre sous la même place. Le lendemain, ils reviennent encore prendre la marchandise et ils redemandent encore de l'argent. Vraiment, on ne connaît pas c'est quoi le projet.
And because now them they reserve for corner road. When they carry their kako, you go buy the kako and buy for them for council. Bring them again back for the very road. Now the very people them again, when they carry their kako, when they there with them every day, they take money for ticket, 100 francs, 200 francs. So they say this so they don't know, so with that money it go. Me we go now for side for Douala way na Texas for TPP. This one na Gendarmerie Nationale where it don't come out Qatar say they must fight with TPP. And that see the people that when they don't catch them, they put them for ground. Now people the way it show say they hand them is not clean. Other people they not get an identity card. Other one them they get Okada when they not get books and they not get close way carry number. Now the Okada then that where they don't catch them. Now them that. And then this one, now who for them? And television them. Where the people they not enter people that house take up. Cameroon, it is circulate for inside Cameroon, not get no one paper. Now in that way, big man for Gendarmerie, for site for Douala, it don't come out. Say this so any man will get moto, Okada, taxi, will not get paper, that means say na tip kako. That means say they will catch up. When I see them, these people until they talk say so when they catch we for secret identity card and wait for fixed identity card for inside country. So they get the original, na trouble. They say there's no cheap people that don't stay for inside the whole town again. They stay now for inside that Dom quarter. Pika 14, Pika 15, Pika 16, Pika 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now that's how they stay. So they can't tip for inside town, go with them for inside Don quarter. And that if Gendarmerie Nationale no be use sense and it talk for any landlord and landlady where in the house tip people for inside your house. Say some more time now then they could catch them. Say one person come for carry your house, ask you where to where they work, and me eager for carry you go with them for play where they work. So that me then confirm say this man now worker for this company. Not just take man put them for house because you need money. And if the man can be native man, that means say landlord or landlady be complice. And say some landlord and they will say where they will be house, they give for rentage. Carriage today, they know we don't pay their tax from governor. So the anyway people they talk to so this thing don't pass them. Say they detain Gendarmerie Nationale for the good work. Wait where they don't decide. Say me then go with them before. Who say ya Okada day? When I look the chassis number. When I go take that television and so when I go sell them, now sell them. That Okada them never go sell them or they will go with them now for outside. They say no, they go with them for Fourier. I say that me say fine. Why this operation will pass for Bavosam, pass for Douala, and not the pass for inside Yaoundé? Wait till they wait for Yaoundé here. And wait for here now for they wait till people them flop. Why this operation not dey happen for inside Yaoundé? C'est tout for right chat. C'est tout for Santa Barbara because And when we know it pass, where the number meet up, their body it is sleep for this quarter, Santa Barbara. So with the bad minister, where if we say they so get for fight with the people and with the Okada people, they say that operation get for worker too for inside Yaoundé. Because you know the worker. Inside taxi, insecurity. On top of Okada, you know, you used to say you do for permanent danger. So the minister Atanganji Paul, where even the commander say all Okada them are way close we get number, and Okada to get forget number, and Okada driver get forget driving license, identity card, vignette, import liberatoire. So nothing in that, but operation the waste time for start for inside the Yaoundé. Why? And wait till the block. Inside Bonaberi, they say they so man when they sleep, he cover it too high, he there for danger. Ha! Bonaberi, they don't take some man 300,000. Say they so they want say gas bottle them. Since that the man, it is say gas bottle. Say we will go for Bonaberi. Yes. The Mutu when I say so, and the shadow, that shadow for the man where they don't take it 300,000. And they use now this motor. Say they so me climb, so that me they go take the gas bottle them for inside seaport. The man climb for back. They want go reach for entrance. They say, well here, me we enter and then take the gas bottle them, come out with them. But you get for give advance because we get for settle control for the person. The man move 300,000, egi and choco. They enter, can't reach today this motor never come out. Oh, sometimes they enter for inside ship. Go in different side. Oh, they be tossing boy the way they be there for inside this motor. Now boy the way they come up for side for Donga and Mantum. For Wimbum land where they return at Limbum. Any man with on this motor, me contact to the man. Me no can be let. Because man where they don't take money. Now picking where him and me be come on for inside Wimbum land before he go married from Salt land. And the countryman where they take money, he the talk Wimbum talk fine. And he said it so they bought them, they be the talk now Wimbum talk. So we talk Wimbum community. Say any man where know this motor or no man where they ever drive this motor, I beg. Then send me with very person. Better than send me with soft, we save ye, me a day alive. That countryman don't talk say sick. Where they not be fit for treatment for hospital, can that stick it go treat the sick. I the bed with an abekabo. Me not be said to him and not be sure. Now the motor that if na your motor contact to the man. If na your driver the work out them contact to the man. Me no can be let. Me no can be let. Now message way I dey send am for upside because me I be messenger for God. When we want to say something we want bad, better than say we move the person from danger. Accident where it happen sharp morning time for site for Marche Bay. Now inside Consamba 1. Motor don't come out with plenty for cancel them for this mammy them. So let me the mammy until they buy them, sell them again for country people. Now anyway, motor, it don't go leave the plenty. The one way they never buy them, driver don't knock marshal here. That means a reverse. Now that. He come on inside market, he fly. He come jam this Okada. Man will be there on top of Okada, he be being as on teacher. Plate number, Northwest 973 AV. Plate number for down, na OUMT 249. We in the Amasa. Go for regional hospital for site for Nkonsamba. You go see say your husband, he don't broke foot. He don't broke foot. This thing don't vex country people them. He cut that sleep. They not sleep again. Me we answer for this boy. This motor will come up for site. When I hear you we go talk. Oh yeah.
Pas comme ça, non?
Ah, ça va, c'est bon.
We have this car, as everyone can see here. That's that transport plantain. He was coming out inside the market B. Now he tried to violate this entrance. Then he saw a motorbike driver and shot him. But the motorbike driver got shocked and almost cut his legs. He was very injured. And he was transported to the hospital by the Good Samaritan that was
By the something for backside.
Yes. He had the time to call his wife with the help of the habitants living here, who gave him his phone and helped him to call his wife. And he was immediately transported to the hospital.
Okay.
That's what happened.
Okay, thank you.
Suivi les bruits, je suis donc sortie.
Tu as suivi comment?
J'ai suivi les bruits d'une voiture. Je sors là en vitesse, donc maintenant, je trouve donc que la voiture a perdu. Et en sortant du marché, en vitesse, ça a donc perdu un homme qui fait sa moto. Ça l'a brutalement, il s'est brutalement renversé. Pourquoi il s'est cassé le pied? Heureusement qu'il n'y avait personne. Comme c'est dans la nuit, ça n'a pas, les gens, il n'y a pas trop de victimes. On a une seule victime. Mais si c'était en journée, les gens devaient mourir. Donc vraiment, heureusement qu'il n'y avait pas les gens. C'était un soir. Sinon, il devait tuer les gens ici. Heureusement,
Come out for side from Konsamba now, we enter for side for Abakwa. Yes, this one now for quarter where they can say Abdel Master. They say this one don't be easy. Plenty shop them, they don't catch fire. And plenty business kako, they don't burn. Where the show say they so the business people them they now. They wait na side where they get for work or side where they get for borrow money. Maybe na inside bank or maybe for inside NJANGI. Now where they call Sape Pompe alias firefighters. Say it don't ya. They run one time then come. They succeed for join with the youth them for that quarter for lost the fire because it not be easy. It not be easy. And they say now first told them they don't burn. As when I see them, no one kako they never come out them. No one kako. When to remember don't blue to say this so me any man where he get small dollar. Or where they make business for inside country. Me he do all and all for buy on camion way he ever lost fire. So that when fire they catch your business place, use yourself, you could use the water way there for inside the tank for lose their fire. Since that for Cameroon, we know the year 12, with the year 13, when fire don't catch, we start the call. Those where they get for can lose them. If they're there for traffic, that means say your business place, it go burn. Gendarmerie nationale, it come for day. Say I, it get for Siam, so that me mop a talk, me year 2 a year. So with the top Asha, for the business people where they don't lost their capital. We thank God because the fire never burn person. We thank God because no person never come out with wound. Anyhow we dey, me we put an for God in hand. So for Baminda they say they so operation protect the population and the property. It don't last make now. Any man for Baminda now he they protect himself. Those where they go protect people than they do for outside. This one now for my 6 from Queen. Where people that they should over that quarter, they don't want to come out for sharp money time for go work. Those where they go for market, they meet up some stranger. When the stranger sleep na sleep, they won't look up. Bullet, it don't enter for chest, it come out for back. Now the man that, we don't make a wanna see him. We don't make a wanna see him. And any man you drop out na pass. Or car the pass, taxi the pass. No man is not the one for can carry him. No man, no one for can check him. For no one is than a family member. Who they not shoot this boy? And who they begin to protect this boy, me they not shoot him. When I be tough for when I say this, so insecurity day for Cameroon. When I say ngang, since that we be Thomas, we get for see before we believe. There be time we say this, so Kitu the when they don't go for side for northwest and for southwest, they don't go now for protect the population and their property. So this one, not one of the population for site for Baminda. Who they know should he? Now question where will they ask them? And who they be there for protect he? Now another question. I dey ask myself. Palava northwest and southwest. The problem be being awaiting. And where till they stop or where till they block for solve the problem. Other people they say so this matter don't make us so those where they be there poor and where they get hurt, they don't turn rich people. Those where they be rich and where they not get hurt, they get fear hurt, they don't make nana, they don't turn poor people. That means say now here where some people then they chop. Now why that way the matter not finish? And now why that way the matter not get solution? We the only worker create meeting for talk about peace. Worker with peace plan. We never work with peace plan so they tire. So why solution not come up for this matter? Other people they not talk so me all English, me people the way they talk English, me they meet up for some place. Try for talk. So that me they come sing governor. Say now where to this way we define them. Oh now where to this the disturb we. And now where to this we need them. They say it is so that can and Dongamen enough happen. Say enough happen. Man will be denied, God it last call ye. Man will be organized, God to last call ye. Why the people when they see they alive, they not try for understand themselves for make them Dongamen can't tell God and say now wait to this way we need them. May they look inside, solve the problem. Make people they for peace. When I forget for no say they so motor vocabulary na peace work for the land alias green red yellow. When the show say they so we get for people peace, but now we there for pieces. No man not talk. Any man not she don't be quiet. They look and I look up. They say we don't turn and look us. Till when we begin to concentrate for solve, we should don't quiet. I be don't ask with a question. Any man get 10 finger for your hand for the 200 we'll get them. 5 for this side, 5 for this side. When you join them, na 10. And all the finger them they get their own work with their work. When 2 collapse or knife don't cut them. Heart, your heart for your body, it must defeat the pains. Why will the one Dutch say it is so hard and not the hot? Me will look inside this matter. Solve this matter because those where they die, be man for bush, be man for town, all na picking for this country. All na picking for Cameroon. Now Cameroon they make losses. Well, shift them, their own work na waiting. Fund them, their own work na waiting. Mayors them, their own work na waiting. Parliamentarian, with their own work na waiting. That means say this thing, this problem don't pass when I was join sovereign. They say when I chop inside. I say them say when I chop inside. I never talk to me I talk. Them say when I chop inside. We no fine. When I not finish chop something, people and they die every day. If you chop money for inside this matter for northwest and southwest, that means they don't chop na blood. And blood when they don't climb for your head, all thing it is scatter. So for Baminda, minister will be a minister for supreme state control. He don't talk say this so then get for make thing with the call say training. All this one they so now marry them for the side for northwest. When the minister for supreme state control, he call them, send me them come for training. Because of men and they don't run their side. They should over Yaoundé. So one don't run their side, leave council. They should over inside Douala. Meanwhile, they be being made for develop their own site. And some men and they don't take money for contracts. They take and begin to work at the shop live with the shower them. So they don't talk them for them, warn them. Now why the way this minister he call this workshop? Send me mayor and come hear. Any man will go fall for inside trap. Now only for prison. Even they don't move you for jail the mayor. Where you be a simple man. They go so send you from Ngata. Plenty mayor they don't go Ngata for sika money from Ngomna. Where they take and go make bridge, they don't make them. They take and go make road where they enter for inside village, they don't make them. Then they take them for bring light, they know they bring them. They take them for build school, they know they build them. Plenty mayor than they so. They don't know say there's a government. They don't put camera for that skin. Eh? Also, when I go to chop that money, camera they pick up. Camera they pick up. And when small time they go prove am for you. Say na so you be the worker. No na money where you take a so and so day. No na so you work out time. Also the bridge day. Also the light where people and get they get up. Time they come. Now when this woman when a minister for supreme state control, he don't early they go tell your brother them. He don't early go na for Bamida for tell your brother them. Oh. He no one see some mayor for inside prison. If you not say you will take money for governor, say what people do for your village. And you take your own picture, they send them. Now so two government go send your own cameraman for the fee, me go film them. They go compare the two pictures. Now they way the truth go come out. That nobody rich. I dey love winner. I dey love winner because they be winner on gata. When I hear, when I dey fool the population. Take money when we begin to arrange and make population a glad. Anyhow we dey. As I don't start to show them from the meeting, now so we will show them, they will go catch them. Yes. If the minister no be call all these mayor them for meeting, sometime if for this on way. Me we ask them now for the minister for Supreme State Control. Madam, why you start this ndongamen na for Baminda? When I hear to with that woman go talk.
What holders? The day on for council, so council now government at the local level. I think we got a little closer. So as government don't bring them closer to them, you don't give them means in terms of money, in terms of other things. So I mean they fee manage everything they manage them for the benefit of the population, for their municipality, and for their governance. So we don't come for that make the mayors where they be managers, where they be coordinators, where they be authorized officers. I mean they know what the way the law talk. I mean they know what the way rules and regulations they talk about their work. For example, you see mayor, they go take plenty money for campaign. Chick say when you go can be mayor, you go take that money from the place from mayor for them from the for put back. No, now when a big fault and if you take that kind of money, so you go pay back. Besides paying back other penalties and leave. So don't come down for cancer guys and say that when I get to work well for the population. If we are there for people water, we make sure we give the water people they take they drink. We are not taking money for people water, we put that on a chopper. If we are there for do something for the community, we are going to find that money to take on that. So far as that state money, because people go follow until the end. And when we follow, we say you don't chop them. Also you don't do something the way no correct with time. Punishment the way the Lord. Then we don't come for cancer. Yes, we see for now what she will affect in our secretary and say. We collaborate with our mayor. And the second thing I prepared is when I not say consultate the world population, because it's civil society. Say in case of anything, when I call from consultate, we can check and we can look at it correct. But when I not say that mayor not working on mayor get to work hand in hand with the population for helping. That means the population help mayor for also bring the benefits or deliver the things to them. Every mayor in the governance therefore be transparent, you get to be accountable, and you get to be make good governance where all man look and so they shake and say yes, you don't go.
Me we ask them for this mayor them. This ndongamen or this workshop where minister he don't call all mayor them for say me you na them they talk see how they go make a make country go before. Now fine thing or na bad thing. When I hear thing way, one of these mayor go talk. Oh yeah.
We thank the head of state for speeding up the decentralization process in our country. And with the decentralization, there's a lot of money in it. And so it comes with a lot of temptation to some of us, the municipal executives. And so we need guidelines. We need this kind of training that this Ministry of State Property has come to do, to train us in Bamenda because we are expecting that at the end of this seminar, we'll be able to use the money judiciously, and anything we'll be doing, we'll do it according to the norms of the state.
For this set of people who are name and so, they don't want to be mayor. You don't expect a duo come to be mayor. No, they don't want to be mayor. But the one that will say, before you want to do something for them, you must take permission for them. You must tell them, say, you want to do this, you want to do that. They don't know the decentralization again. You're not there again. If I want to do something, I'll do my thing. I inform you, say, I don't already do this one. It be for the good of the people. If I face down with the population, I tell them, we decide, so we do this thing, we do them. Then the council say, no, it will be fine for them. Then it be in a confusion that, let me say, the one where they want to take with position, then with the day, that one a day, you know, feel like, but that one, we did know how with the manager. We know how with the manager will.
It don't happen.
It don't happen for me. It happens for some of my friends, plenty. Then it could be says small time sometimes it will affect me. But it never happened for me as I can't hear the talk so. Because if it happened for me, for my age, I could talk say it don't happen. But for example, me I don't begin for bill hotel, council inn, I begin bill. The commander can't stop them. So may they not be. You never give me reason. You never write them for any book. You just talk for months, so may they not bill them. And you know for people them for village. If I want to do something, I'll do my thing. I inform you, say, I don't already do this one. It be for the good of the people. If I face down with the population, I tell them, we decide, so we do this thing, we do them. Then the council say, no, it will be fine for them. Then it be in a confusion that, let me say, the one where they want to take with position, then with the day, that one a day, you know, feel like. But that one, we did know how with the manager. We know how with the manager will.
It don't happen.
It don't happen for me. It happens for some of my friends, plenty. Then it could be says small time sometimes it will affect me. But it never happened for me as I can't hear the talk so. Because if it happened for me, for my age, I could talk say it don't happen. But for example, me I don't begin for bill hotel, council inn, I begin bill. The commander can't stop them. So may they not be. You never give me reason. You never write them for any book. You just talk for months, so may they not bill them. And you know for people them for village, not when man you want also not go for you must see for not go there now. But if you go there, don't know what if it happen. Now some of the challenges is that because if I start this thing where you know the talk, so that we don't go far. You see, it don't delay the project now. So finally, you don't leave them, but you don't delay the project. Now just one example where one for court. Then for council session where we attend. Since council was 20 the day for outside, so the day only the walla and all the scatter. For come back for village, what time will be for guest session? It'll be difficult for them for come. Because all route for late phone call, it'll be blocked. Some day they know this, some day they day. But you know if you come out for here, go reach for them freely, come back freely. There is meeting before one come this meeting for here today. So I don't leave, plan and leave and 1 week ago. So now most of the things are with the first difficulty.
So now wait till that way it don't happen. Now the small one, we will get them for country people them today. And today na Thursday. Where we get plenty in them for talk, and tomorrow na Friday, where we get for get stranger for inside today house. So that me they come talk waiting where they don't see them for inside today for the today for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that one it will be tomorrow. With this other person where they call and say Chief Fotabontem. Yes, Chief Fotabontem. When a chief for that side for na Mata, yes, for that side for Manfe, he watch the program. With the salute to Shea Baba. Yes, Shea Baba, we watch the program for that side for Nigeria. Now picking for that side phone call. When a headquarter for Noni subdivision for Northwest Cameroon. You know they miss the program. With the salute to Sheikh Kimbin Sakwa. ESSF, he did for that side for SNH. He watch the program with Madam Caro Yembe. Yes, ESSF, he did for SNH. He watch the program. We not forget to for salute His Excellency Shea Jones Yembe, His Excellency Shea Jones Yembe, ESSF, he did for his office. They watch the program. We salute to person where they can say, na Alaji, yes, Alaji Baba. We watch the program. We salute to Mr. Aldo. We did for that side for Garwa. We greet all man for that side for Kosiri. We the CSF the day for Corner Television. We salute those for that side for Binka. We greet all man for that side for Binshwa and from Kambe. We did watch the program. We salute all man for that side for Ndu. And we greet all man for that side from Biame. We greet all man for that side from So. We salute all man for side where they call them for Bamkekai and those for that side for Getium. They watch the program. We salute all man for Womb and we salute those for that side for Iso. We salute all man for that side for Lake Nyos. We not forget them. We salute all man for that side for Sabongida and Sabongari. We greet all man from Beye and for Opambol. We not forget Mr. Emil. Tata Emil for side for Tabiken. He not miss the program. We salute too. So we sister will be there for that side for Konya. Yes, he don't come for inside the own day. We know the year again. But we know say they find we salute Doris. We there for that side for Kribi. He not the miss to the program. We salute all man for Kribi. We they watch the program. We salute all man from Bongo. We salute all man from Bongo, Camp 5 and Camp 2, Camp 3, Camp 4. All that side come them. We salute all man for Bamboo. We did those were the day for Carrefour, Mbongo. We salute all man for that side. So say we could not win dengue. We want come back when I go take on our phone for make calling. When you want call this program, make sure say you don't come out inside noise. If you there with family, come out outside, you talk. When you finish, you come. She don't. When you there for inside of lesson, I they beg you na Beckham. You enter inside the place for peace, and then you call we after you come back, take your chair. No, they talk me television, they talk. I beg when I country people. I they beg when I Beckham. With a tongue man, where they can say, I could die. Yes, I could die. Where it dey for side for Babinda, you know they miss their program. And man, where they call him, Mr. Emmanuel Takwa, we na tell all I can tell for side for Central Bar for Douala. We dey salute all man, we dey for that side for Donga Embassy for side for Kilometer. And we dey greet those where they dey too for Ansen Sonen Kululu. Yes, for that place where they say Sha. Yes, for Ansen Sonen Kululu for play where they say Sha. Now they watch the program for that side. Yes, we salute to Mr. Adebayo. Yes, he did for that side for Ansen Sonen Kululu. Wait till you don't see him, wait enough find you, me with feel Sam. Hello? Good morning, countryman. You're on name now, and you the call for which side for country?
I the call for Tico Jeramoko.
Yes, Tico, we hear you. What you get for talk?
Huh? I didn't know we don't kill for Banana, so we don't try for ground. No government pass.
Yes.
Yes, we are the talk say this man we don't kill for Banana. I say na Amber don't kill for government, no so they don't keep person for road. But what people they pass now, they need to know they don't pass. Them say that man will remain for the road. What I put it.
Nothing with me. It don't pass me too.
So at least when they go talk for council, no only council that's the will do. But when they put person so, as you they for that, that's when they high. What I can see. When they go find council, they will get something. Council can't get a home. So it's hard if you go bury the man.
Thank you, countryman. First call on for that side for Tico. We salute all man for Tico. We salute to Sister Chifu Ivolet or Evolet. We watch the program with the salute to some sister two a day for that side way. Now they call and say now Sidon consort. Yes, Sidon consort. A day two for that side for Tico. Now picking for that side for Mabi Wat. You know they miss the program too. We salute those who did the other side for Douala. Yes, we not forget Solange for Bonabedi for that side for yes, that side for Bambotos. He says we don't stay, we never hear a voice. So sometimes we hear a voice today. We salute to five Charlotte Shea. He says he did for corner television. What you get for talk? Me you talk now because more time time go catch me. This palava kerosene, where it cause confusion for inside Yaoundé. Wait till you get for talk. Which advice you get time for Guillaume? Marché Etodi, where na market where we get for show example for the other market them for inside Yaoundé. But many people for that side, they say they get trouble with council police. Hello?
Hello, Janamoko.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mala Saidi, the call for the Nyiboto.
Madam Saido?
Yes.
How about Douala no?
No, Douala the better.
Huh?
Douala fine, cool.
Okay. That means say, yeah. Anyhow, we hear you, countryman.
Okay, I want to know for that palava for that second mayor when you talk. Now, so we like to make mayor talk it true. Make mayor they work like that man, they work, so make it talk it true. Because of one day the day when they interwork, they make my go. Mayor way there for outside, make it go back for country. Go sit down for place where they don't post and make it work. Make you not be mayor for Ndu, you there for Douala. You be mayor for Usa parliamentarian for Usa, you there for Douala. You know, fine so. That means you the one for outside or not for your country. I say, you know, fine so. That may you return it true. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. 65060848. Hello? Okay. Come on, baby. Hello? If another caller dey make come one time because small time could catch we. If I say any person a try for can't talk, me you not talk now after we all thing don't finish. This work where council police and they make come for that side is correct or is not correct. Now you get for tell me you're on. Good morning, countryman. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
How you doing now?
I did fine. Hi, sir.
Ah, now good.
Okay. I want to know about that person who they key for Baminda. So.
Who they call the person they call for outside?
My name is Kwari call from Bangu.
Yes. You say what?
I said I want to know about that person who they key for Baminda.
Yes. We hear you talk.
I want to say, man, government try again because people already died so because insecurity there, Baminda. So they not pass even 1 or 2 days for every person don't die. So may they try look into it. Thank you.
Thank you, countryman. We salute all man for that side from Van where they watch the program. We salute those who did it for Bankolo. We not forget man where they can say Mr. Polycap Ngara. Yes. When I'm picking for Njap, you know they miss the program. Hello?
Hello, Junamoko.
Yeah, I don't know, countryman.
You are this side of the only.
Yes, we hear you.
I want to know about the mayor.
Yes. Ah. They're the one now. Well. Thank you, countryman. Hello?
Hello?
How you doing?
Money.
Good morning. Who did it?
Na Benado from Misoke.
Yes. For what's that?
For Misoke for Douala.
Ah, from Misoke.
Yeah.
Okay, we hear you.
My own thing I say that this one is for Mashi Itoji. It is so easy for all sides because even we for Douala here, you see this time for Mashi Congo, na governor, na how they call him? Now, Madame Le Maire, you can't be stored them for window road.
Ah.
I don't know why we doing that for bush or we doing that for town. They don't make you see something they for inside the head. How people she can be stored for road? Even for market centers, they store them for road. They can't be more stored for road. I say for road, say where for park no day.
Yeah.
That is not in order for it for year for this WhatsApp for year for machine is okay. All people they say na for road. We store the day inside market. No place, no one enter inside market. They want to say na for road. I don't know. They don't put their voltage. Take their voltage.
Thank you. Yeah, we don't hear you. Yes, when you don't be going outside for pub beer, that means say we not there again for the very place. We don't understand no? Yes. Hello? Hey, now who they talk, eh?
Ma Esther from Penja.
Ma Esther for Penja, have for Penja today.
No, we thank God, my brother. Good morning.
Good morning. With you for that side, talk quick because more time go catch we.
Okay, Papa. I did talk about that. We begin with the donkey and Bamenda. So
yes.
I say where this country they go now for which side? This country they been a country for peace. Now when government don't just leave this country, don't be open. So I dey give hand for government. I say make government try for see this palaver. We don't tire for cry we begin them all. We don't tire for cry we begin them. Time when I dey see am so I remember my own at the coach. She don't forbid I go cry again so say me God hear our prayer. God why hear our prayer? Beg me government to first try to hear our prayer so that God they go try for answer that our prayer quick, Papa.
Thank you,
Thank you too, Papa.
God don't hear the talk. Hello? Hello? Good morning. Good morning. Okay. We salute all man for that side from Banga and for Loom for Tombel. We not to forget those for Bangam. Hello? We salute all man for that side for Itam. We salute all man for Itam and for that side for Ebonji My 20. Hello?
Yes, good morning. Yes.
Good morning. Give me a name and the side of the call.
Yes, now Mr. Lembe, the call from Sancho.
Yes, we give you 15 second talk.
Yes, I want to talk for this counciled kind of work. It be like government did even try to exploit their own citizens because they know saying now so the people that they said that they can't take the money for ticket and then they come back carry the things, then they go pay money, come back still sell for the very place. That why they just be like even government be confused more than the sellers. So make they try for adjust themselves and make things orderly. And for the man where they don't kill them for Bamenda, the insecurity be something where it don't be like it be adopted already. It could be very difficult for that insecurity for be wiped out because of the system in which we government it operate.
Okay. Hello? I don't give you 15 seconds. Hello? We salute Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul, yes, Paul we there for that side for Konawata, for side for Kasno. Yes, Paul we na picking for that side for Tala. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who they call the person live outside?
I don't know, they call Limbe.
Yes. We give you 15 seconds with the year for Limbe. Huh?
I mean, they cancel the death of Kona Road.
Yes.
Yes, I want to ask whether they cancel the door, whether they don't put the long arrange some people keep them or the door and the do that. Or do they manage the house motive for sure?
Right. Asha, thank you plenty for that side for Limbe.
Okay.
Yes. Another caller again. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning.
Who do you call the person they have outside?
Dr. Su von Ginicom.
Yes. How von Ginicom?
Yes. No, Ginicom, they're fine. They're fine, no problem.
Yes. I will give you 20 seconds. Talk at the you.
Yeah, thank you. I want to give more support for them and say, they crisis will get up outside, so some people don't carry over their head like their head like that, their personal calco. So if that's also for me, the better more will leave. People that the people that they are hit, maybe they follow how where they follow. So that from there will carry this for them. When you see like they can't like gossip be the cause. Because they were not passing, they were not passing, I really think it's only all this matter so. So and again you it very matter what they see. When you see that gossiping be the cause. Now they one be talk say, that the other one be talk say, then you they can go investigate them nothing. As only your brother talk me, just take and bullet them. So nice.
Thank you, I countryman.
So the free blood for it, they don't look matter. Because blood be very effective. If we not worry you today, can't worry your family tomorrow. So you know look nice.
Thank you.
So
thank you. Hello? Hello? Okay, the program don't finish. Sorry. The program don't finish. Me will go now for school. Me will go for classroom. Every day I dey talk am, I dey show am, but when I say self, when I dey only do na only when I on, we e fine when I, yes, we e no dey fine. So we get for correct when I today. When you know say you want video something where you go send am for Tori man or for any TV station, may you hold your Android phone na this size, look am. When you hold am so na size for camera. When you hold am so na size for television where you dey see am now. Television dey na flat so. But when you go put your phone, it stands so. You don't see some television for Africa where they so no. All TV where we watch film them for day now so it is stand. So you get for stand your phone so and then for take video send them for Turiman. So with the salute all man and with the thank all man. The only thing where we get problem with country people them with them now say when we talk something man the year as it just shift. It don't finish. It don't come up for your head. We don't talk say that so those who will follow we for Facebook or those who they don't know we Facebook page. Me when I take them now. You want enter for inside with page. You just go for Facebook where you open them. You go for place where they search name them. Where you search them, when you tap for the you write them say General Moko NJANGI House LTM. Inside Facebook, it will come out. Try wait for copy the link, send them for your people them. Make them me they know say they get for subscribe for that link. So that me they be member for inside NJANGI House. Because of information and the way they pass for inside, and when we not fit pass and here. Because until the way we not fit show them direct for television. But we did make them when they see them for that site. Man way get you advertisement. Man we want advertise the business place. You come for Tori house, can't see we, and then we will take camera, go for your place, video am, fine. You get in a hotel, you get in a restaurant, you get in a snack, you get in a bar, or you get in a hallway, you get for rentage, you get in a motor the way you get for rentage, all that thing, and so we feel advertise them for you. Those who they so close them, we feel make them for say me the no side we dey. So now work for television and we dey here because of when I dey outside. Anyhow we dey. With the time when I plenty, those way they support the program for their own way because support it different way. So those way they support the program and those way they support you for their own way. So with the time they say me God it protect them, make them stay for long and bless them. And then so that me they continue to support the program. Now LTM where you feel see them for them, you see them all. With time we land this say way and then with the time to Simit Abubakar. With the time some woman we see Toreman yesterday for Marche today, he be the run for go watch program, but he say they so a last seminar for inside market way at the do report. Say we time plenty, me na be meet up for side for Marche today yesterday. So they come in a General Moko, the only general for Cameroon where they work on our broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon so that make Cameroon is clean and so that me know the smell. When stranger one come, he go no say true this country na clean country and na peace country. Me will try for soft way to way it disturb we for northwest and southwest and for northern part of Cameroon. It go help we. Same way, me we match belly to go with them for front so that me back it follow. We will meet up tomorrow same time, but tomorrow man no go call because na debate program. Bye bye. We don't go.